Mr. President, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure for the Secretariat of the United Nations Forum on Forests, UNFF, part of the United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs, UNDESA, to be present in the fourth session of the United Nations Environment Assembly. I would like to acknowledge the statement just delivered by His Excellency Ambassador Winston Lakin from Suriname, and let him know that high forest cover, low deforestation countries can always count on the UNFF Secretariat and UNDESA support. Mr. President, the UNFF Secretariat very much values the existing close cooperation with UN Environment. As a fellow member of the Collaborative Partnership on Forests, we work very closely with this program on all issues related to forests. Moreover, as the focal point of UNDESA for the subject of illegal harvest and trade of wildlife and forest products, the UNFF Secretariat constantly interacts with UNEP, which currently presides the UN Interagency Task Force dedicated to this theme. Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, this Assembly's theme, Innovative Solutions for Environmental Challenges and Sustainable Consumption and Production, couldn't be more appropriate. It is time for business as unusual, and there are many challenges to face, but challenges come with opportunities, and as document UNEP/EA.4/17 demonstrates, there are plenty of creative and innovative options to build a world which produces and consumes in a more sustainable manner. To that end, we need inclusive joint efforts involving all stakeholders, and those efforts are bound to succeed. I would like to mention an inspiring example. Carbon footprint from wood-based textile fibers can be significantly lower than synthetic ones. Moreover, the enhanced production of wood-based textile fibers has the potential to improve the livelihood of numerous forest communities. Last year, during the 2018 session of the High-Level Political Forum, UNDESA co-hosted a side event on the UN Partnership for Sustainable Fashion and the SDGs. On that occasion, 10 different UN entities agreed to establish a UN Alliance on Sustainable Fashion, which is being formally launched during UNEA 4. The important role played by several parties, including various UN entities, such as the UN Economic Commission for Europe, fashion entrepreneurs, and civil society, should be recognized. Yes, we need business as unusual, and this partnership among those various stakeholders is an excellent example of how a bold approach can promote positive change. In closing, I would like to remind you that the 14th session of the United Nations Forum on Forests will take place in New York from 6 to 10 May 2019. We look forward to seeing you there. Thank you very much.